I'm looking forward to meeting new people, and there's a lot of diversity here, so I'm really excited for that.
I'm looking forward to talk to new people and make connections and find people that have similar interests too.
My favorite part, I think, is just how friendly everyone's been. It is creating an inviting environment, and it just makes me more excited to go to school here.
I would say my favorite part about today was just the speeches and hearing everybody else's stories and how they're all they come from different backgrounds and how it all led to them to where they are today.
I would say the amount of activities that you guys have in the campus. So many clubs and extra classes and options here.
All the different things you guys hold, that you guys are pushing 90 different activities, different clubs. That sounded really interesting to me.
I'm looking forward to start my classes, meet new people. I'm looking forward to join more programs that I probably couldn't have did when I was in high school. I'm looking forward to a new start and new beginnings.